Welcome to Mastering HTML for ASP .NET projects using examples. This is our step-by-step series specially designed for absolute beginners. In this series, we will learn how to use HTML effectively while developing ASP .NET projects through real practical examples. If you are new to web development or looking to strengthen your HTML fundamentals for ASP.NET, you are in the right place. Let us begin this exciting journey together right here on ASP NET and SQL Academy. The KBD element is used to define keyboard input. It is often used to indicate that text is keyboard input or to display keyboard shortcuts. The var element is used to define a variable. It is often used to indicate that text is a variable or to display mathematical equations. The SUP element is used to define superscript text. It is often used to display mathematical equations or to indicate that text is a footnote. The SUB element is used to define subscript text. It is often used to display chemical formulas or to indicate that text is a footnote. The BDI element is used to define bidirectional isolation. It is often used to isolate text that has a different direction than the surrounding text. The BDO element is used to define bidirectional override. The dir attribute is used to specify the direction of the text. The Ruby element is used to define Ruby annotations. It is often used to provide pronunciation guidance for East Asian languages. The RT element is used to define Ruby text. It is often used to provide pronunciation guidance for East Asian languages. The RP element is used to define Ruby parenthesis. It is often used to provide pronunciation guidance for East Asian languages. The WBR element is used to define a word break opportunity. It is often used to indicate where a line break can occur in a word. The canvas element is used to define a graphics canvas. The ID attribute is used to specify an ID, while the width and height attributes are used to specify the dimensions. The SVG element is used to define a scalable vector graphic. The width and height attributes are used to specify the dimension. The math element is used to define a mathematical equation. It is often used to display mathematical equations or to indicate that text is a mathematical equation. The M row element is used to define a math row. It is often used to group mathematical elements together. The Mi element is used to define a math identifier. It is often used to specify a variable or a constant in a mathematical equation. The Mo element is used to define a math operator. It is often used to specify an operator in a mathematical equation. The Mn element is used to define a math number. It is often used to specify a number in a mathematical equation. The M text element is used to define math text. It is often used to specify text in a mathematical equation. The M space element is used to define math space. It is often used to specify a space in a mathematical equation. The M padded element is used to define math padded content. It is often used to specify padding in a mathematical equation. The M phantom element is used to define math phantom content. It is often used to specify invisible content in a mathematical equation. The M padded element is used to define math padded content. It is often used to specify padding in a mathematical equation. The M phantom element is used to define math phantom content. It is often used to specify invisible content in a mathematical equation. The M fenced element is used to define math fenced content. It is often used to specify fences in a mathematical equation. The M enclosed element is used to define math enclosed content. It is often used to specify enclosed content in a mathematical equation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on ASP.NET SQL and web development topics. And if you know someone learning HTML or ASP.NET, do share this video with them too. Stay tuned for the next part in this series and keep learning, keep coding. Presented by ASP NET and SQL Academy.